Imagine if I say 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now instead of the 2, I replace it with an x or y, or even just an empty box. The goal is to find the number which, when added to 3, gives us 5. You can try to figure this out in your head, or we can use a systematic approach to solve it. Let's solve the equation. We start with x plus 3 equals 5. To solve this, our aim is to isolate x, making it the only term on the left-hand side. In other words, we need to eliminate the plus 3. To do that, we subtract 3 from both sides. What you do on the left-hand side is also done on the right-hand side. The plus 3 and minus 3 cancel out, and 5 minus 3 equals 2, leaving us with x equals 2. Now let's solve more equations following the same method. Example 1. We have the equation x plus 4 equals 9. The goal is to get x by itself. Right now, 4 is being added to x, so we do the opposite. Subtract 4 from both sides. X plus 4 minus 4 equals 9 minus 4. The plus 4 and minus 4 cancel out, leaving us with x equals 5. Example 2. Now let's look at x minus 2 equals 7. This time, x has minus 2 next to it. To isolate x, we do the opposite of subtraction, which is addition. So we add 2 to both sides. Minus 2 plus 2 equals 7 plus 2. The minus 2 and plus 2 cancel out, leaving x equals 9. Example 3. Now let's try x plus 6 equals 11. To get x alone, we subtract 6 from both sides. X plus 6 minus 6 equals 11 minus 6. The plus 6 and minus 6 cancel out, leaving x equals 5. Example 4. Let's solve x minus 5 equals 3. Here, x is being subtracted by 5. To undo this, we add 5 to both sides. X minus 5 plus 5 equals 3 plus 5. The minus 5 and plus 5 cancel out, leaving x equals 8. Example 5. For our final example, we have x plus 7 equals 10. To get x by itself, we subtract 7 from both sides. X plus 7 minus 7 equals 10 minus 7. The plus 7 and minus 7 cancel out, leaving x equals 3. Quiz question. If x minus 4 equals 6, what is the value of x? Try solving it and share your answer in the comments.